Hey, let's learn about earthquakes now. Okay, whoops, sorry about that. Let's learn about some earthquakes. Here's our model with. We have this logarithmic model. It's about an earthquake. So on the Richter scale, we know this. The magnitude of an earthquake is its intensity I, is given by R equals this log 10, 1 over 1 I sub 0. And this I sub 0 we're going to call 1 is the minimum amount of an earthquake. Intensity is measured in wave energy. And we're going to use logarithms, or in a sense it kind of measures somewhat like an exponent form to find it. So this is what we know. Let's talk about a real earthquake. One in Peru that had 8.4 and one in Mexico that was 7.6. Let's find the intensity of each one. Well, remember our formula, R is equal to this right here, and if I sub 0 is 1, I don't even need the 1, but I showed it there. Well, hey, how would I get rid of log 10? Well, take it to the 10th power. Notice, so 10 to the 8.4, 10 to the there, that's going to make this side here just become an I, and 10 to the 8.4 is 251 million. Whoa, that is huge. So let's find Mexico. How would I do Mexico? Just like this one, but instead of 8.4, it's going to be what? 7.6. And I really don't need the 1. I just showed you that I0 was 1. And I'm going to do that 10th power. So basically 10 to the 7.6 is I, which means it's 39 million. So let's compare these. First off, 8.4 minus 7.6. The one in Mexico was 0.8 bigger on the Richter, but how much more power did it have? Well, if I take the two numbers and take the bigger one divided by the smaller one, it was 6 times larger. So an increase of 0.8 here in these values was 6 times larger an earthquake. Whoa! That is some pretty powerful stuff. Wouldn't want to be in any one of those earthquakes. So, what have we learned? We learned about exponential growth, exponential decay, our Gaussian model, that was our bell curve, logistic growth, that was kind of like the deer, how it levels off after a while, and then our regular logarithmic models, that was what earthquakes are based on those. And here's what we're going to practice at. It's page 224, 1 to 16, 19, 22, 32, 37, 39, and 41, and 42. And I'll be happy to help you work these out in class if you have more problems. All right, thank you, and hope you have a great night.